Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add Facebook video downloader in iPhone shortcut. So let's get started. First, open any web browser and type down themepoint.net and search for it. So after you search for it, you will get to see a website or web page of themepoint.net, and there you will get to see three dashboard option horizontal line available. Tap on it and tap on iOS shortcut. So inside iOS shortcut, you will get to see various shortcut option available for your iPhone. So let's remove this ad. Tap on the iOS shortcut. Now simply scroll down and there you can see Facebook video downloader and Reels easily option available there. Tap on it. So after you tap on it, you will be navigated to a web page of its installation. Make sure you tap on it properly. After that, simply scroll down till you find the install option available there. So as you can see, there is an install or download option available. Tap on it to download it to your iPhone shortcut. So here you can see it is being downloaded. Now simply continue with the process and tap on the add to shortcut option available there, and it will be added to your shortcut. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.